Welcome to Kite Therapy, your go-to channel for all things mental health and wellness. Today, we're going to discuss cognitive behavioral therapy or CBT and how it can help improve your mental well-being. So, let's get started. Cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT for short, is a widely recognized and evidence-based form of psychological treatment. It's designed to help individuals identify and change negative thought patterns and behaviors that contribute to emotional distress and mental health issues. Unlike some other therapeutic approaches, CBT focuses on the present and is typically shorter in duration, making it both cost-effective and efficient. CBT has been proven to be highly effective for a wide range of mental health disorders, including anxiety, depression, obsessive-compulsive disorder, post-traumatic stress disorder, and more. In fact, numerous studies have shown CBT to be as effective, or even more effective, than other forms of therapy or medication for certain conditions. The efficacy of CBT is attributed to its focus on developing practical coping strategies, promoting self-awareness, and empowering individuals to take charge of their own well-being. So, how does CBT work? At its core, CBT is built on the idea that our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors are all interconnected. When we experience negative thoughts, they can lead to negative emotions, which in turn can result in unhealthy behaviors. CBT therapists help individuals to identify and challenge these negative thought patterns, also known as cognitive distortions, by examining the evidence supporting or refuting them. This process is called cognitive restructuring. For example, if someone has the thought, "I'm a failure," their therapist may guide them to explore the evidence that supports or contradicts this belief. By doing so, the individual can develop a more balanced and accurate view of themselves. In addition to cognitive restructuring, CBT also emphasizes the importance of modifying unhelpful behaviors. For instance, if someone is struggling with social anxiety, they might practice gradual exposure to social situations, which can help them build confidence and overcome their fears. CBT incorporates a variety of tools and techniques to help individuals make these changes. Some common methods include journaling. Writing down thoughts and emotions can help individuals become more aware of their thought patterns and identify cognitive distortions. Socratic questioning. This technique involves asking probing questions to challenge irrational beliefs and encourage deeper thinking. Graded exposure. This technique gradually exposes individuals to anxiety-provoking situations to help them build confidence and reduce fear. Problem solving. CBT therapists often teach problem-solving skills to help clients address and overcome real-life challenges. Relaxation techniques. Practicing relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing and progressive muscle relaxation, can help individuals manage stress and anxiety more effectively. Now that we've covered the basics of CBT and its efficacy, let's dive into how it works in practice. CBT is a structured, time-limited form of therapy that usually takes place over 12 to 20 sessions, depending on the individual's needs. The therapist and client work collaboratively to identify and address problematic thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. CBT therapists use various techniques to help clients modify unhelpful thought patterns and behaviors. Here are some examples. Cognitive restructuring. This involves identifying negative or irrational thoughts and replacing them with more balanced, realistic ones. For example, if a client believes they are a complete failure, the therapist might help them recognize that they've actually achieved a lot in their lives. Behavioral activation. Clients are encouraged to engage in activities they enjoy or find meaningful to improve their mood and decrease negative thoughts. This can be as simple as going for a walk or as complex as tackling a long-term goal. The exposure therapy. This technique is particularly helpful for clients dealing with anxiety or phobias. It involves gradually facing the feared situation in a controlled and safe manner until the anxiety or fear subsides. Problem solving. Therapists help clients develop effective problem-solving skills that they can apply to real-life situations, enabling them to cope better with challenges they face. Before we wrap up, let's look at some empirical data that demonstrates the effectiveness of CBT. Multiple research studies have consistently shown that CBT is highly effective in treating various mental health disorders. For instance, a meta-analysis of 332 studies by Hoffman et al. 2012 found that CBT was effective in treating anxiety disorders, with moderate to large effect size. Similarly, another meta-analysis by Kwijpers et al. 2013 compared the effectiveness of CBT and other therapies for depression and found that CBT was as effective as other evidence-based treatments. Additionally, a study conducted by the National Institute of Mental Health (NIMH) found that 58% of participants with obsessive-compulsive disorder (OCD) showed significant improvement after 12 weeks of CBT. Simpson et al. 2008. These are just a few examples of the extensive research supporting its efficacy. With a strong evidence base, it's clear that CBT is a powerful tool in treating a wide range of mental health issues. By targeting the underlying thought patterns and behaviors that contribute to emotional distress, CBT empowers clients to take control of their lives and make lasting, positive changes. In conclusion, CBT is an evidence-based, highly effective form of therapy for a wide range of mental health issues. By targeting the underlying thought patterns and behaviors that contribute to emotional distress, CBT empowers clients to take control of their lives and make lasting, positive changes. Thank you for joining us on Kite Therapy today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights and information about mental health and various therapeutic approaches. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll explore more ways to improve your mental well-being.